Today I'd like to have curry rice for dinner. A kind of Chinese cabbage. I don't know the accurate translation. It's tender and fresh in this season. Ingredients for the curry rice. Cut the corn to get the kernels. The cob can be a snack for the rabbit. The cured sausage, really hard, like a rock. I've tried several directions to cut it. I used all my strength to cut the half of the sausage. And the other half, I quit. First step, stir fry all the ingredients. Add some water and then the curry. During the waiting time, cook the vegetables. When the oil is hot, put in the cabbage. You don't need any other seasoning except the salt. Garlic is a must-have for stir-fry vegetables. And maybe for any dish in China. Turn off the fire before it gets too soft. Green like spring. The curry is almost done. After the final step, the cheese, I found I forgot the cucumber and peas. So I let it cook a little longer time. Rice made by the rice cooker. Simple and quick dinner. We all love curry rice. I'm Nianzi in China. See you!